Secretary jongka All India Congress Committee AICC Matthew Anthony ulaong baka voter Adhikar Yatra jong unongelam kaliang persya Rahul Gandhi habihar banban pau yi kamle khle shri nile bakla hakajing thap vote kaya deiru barkajela Meghalaya habakran shikinong thok kubor hak arpasantrik nailar u Anthony ulaong ba Rahul Gandhi ulase madan hakaway constituency hakarnataka kabadan hadu shilak ki vote ki balapan kelabun sin bathok ya katun rajong ko vote hakaba ki vote hakati ka constituency kilong ki bamyaham lanile syukor nakabanta banyo ya kajingjam u Anthony ulakliru ya Election Commission of India ECI ka kajingkit kli jongka lakade ban jubab siya ka sorkar ne siya kipat ba ban pelong yak election ka bukhoy ka basuba ka jingdawa ka ba Rahul Gandhi upan pau kolong baka ECI kala syakta da ka jingat rilang bat ka sorkar India ban penkala yak result jong election kabala ajing job yak BJP ban thau sorkar ha Delhi da kabak daw yak jingjah Madhya Pradesh kabah news pa angot kinong thak vote kidon hak way kathub kabala register hakaju ka jaka.
You have recently seen the press conference done by the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, on the 7th of August in Delhi, where he exposed one single constituency in Karnataka, where 1,250,000 votes, whereof multiple duplicate and faking of its origin, whereby which the votes in the constituency were misaligned or fabricated for a victory. Now this is only one constituency where the exercise has been done for 6 months and taken away. Why? Because the Election Commission of India refused to give the details. I don't want to take it prompt press conference by getting into the entire details, but I'll ask you fundamental questions for the people of Meghalaya to understand. Who is the constitutional body of Election Commission of India? Are they answerable to the government or are they answerable to the people to conduct a fair and just election? The cause which is championed by the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, is that the Election Commission of India is prima facie at fault and in cohort with the government of India to manipulate the election results, which has given this victory for BJP to form this government in the center. Recently it has come out in Madhya Pradesh that there is 700 voters coming out from a single address. So if the Election Commission of India is fair, what is stopping him from the Election Commission of India to share the voters' details for us to, for the nation to compare it in a very transparent manner? What is there for the Election Commission of India to hide? What is there for the Election Commission of India not to be transparent to the people of this country? That is exactly what the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, is asking. And now I will come why it is related to the people of Meghalaya also. If the voting is suppressed, like in many dictatorial countries, where the voting is just maintained as a fake mechanism to say that we have a democratically elected government, whereas the entire voter list is manipulated. That is what we are questioning. The government, the employees of the government, the elected representatives of the government, the message which leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is conveying is that we should remember ourselves that they all are the servants of the people to serve the people and not the masters of the people. And that is the point which we are communicating. And that is where the people of Meghalaya also has to be concerned about this. The second is about the Supreme Court's remark on the leader of opposition. The Supreme Court, while maintaining the respect of the Supreme Court, if the leader of opposition is denied to raise the matters in the parliament which is of concern for the people and denied the opportunity to have a debate in the parliament, then where shall he talk? He should talk to the people because he is a servant to the people. He is elected by the people and he is given the responsibility by the people. So the one who is fighting for the constitution cannot or should not be reprimanded by such overreach. And that is from me, from the national side of it.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note, remember once more.